This is a plain bracelet that hasn't been pigmented yet. This is a piece of stick. This is a dry piece of bark. And what you want to do is burn it till you get charred. So I've got my blue torch, heating it up, firing it up. And what you want to do is rub the charcoal over it. And this is the pigment that I use. Just get it all in the nooks and crannies. So that's all the ash, blackened ash. So another thing that I do to seal it in is use normal candle wax. You can use clear spray if you want to, but I prefer the candle method. So what I'm doing here is using just a lighter to heat it up, and then after that you wipe the candle over it. And you're gonna want to wipe off the excess candle. Make sure to clean the back part of the bracelet as well. Side note here is, if you have too much candle, more candle wax than the ash, then it's gonna end up kind of gray. So here's a comparison.